Hey everybody, how's it going? Today let's take a look at this 1999 Honda Prelude 5-speed. And this is going to be a full, in-depth tour of the Prelude. We'll start up, show the engine, get an exhaust clip, and go over the performance data, as well as show you a bunch of the features of the interior as well as exterior. And today I'm at Bob Mayberry Hyundai in Monroe, North Carolina. So, without further ado, let's get it started up, let it run. It's got a black cloth interior. It's got 127,000 miles. Not bad. It's got a leather wrapped steering wheel. Nice and tight. Like I said, it's a 5-speed manual. Reverse. And it's going to come on the headlights, as well as the hazards. Automatic driver's side window. And let's check out the exterior, shall we? It's a real slick looking design. It's got a full power sunroof. Polished exhaust tips. And let's go ahead and pop the hood. The Prelude comes with a 2.2 liter dual overhead cam 4-cylinder, equipped with VTEC. Has a nice soft touch to it. Door panels. Padded here. Power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. It's got a manual driver's seat. Your fuel cap and trunk release located here. And it also has a tilt steering wheel. Now let's go ahead and see how it sounds. It's a great sounding motor. It's going to shut her up. Simple to use climate control. Different zones. Recycling AC, rear defrost. Got an aftermarket CD deck and changer in the trunk. Very quick sunroof action. You also have a power outlet up here, digital clock, and you also have your cruise control on the steering wheel. Alrighty. Just gonna shut it down. Check out the back of the vehicle. We'll hop on in on the other side. Place to put your fuel cap. Very easy opening trunk. It's got a modest amount of space. Vehicle's mats. There's the CD changer I was referring to. Back seat also folds. If you pull this right here, folds all the way down to add to increased cargo space. As you can see, sorry about that little bit of glare. Fairly supportive seats in the back. Legroom could be a little bit tight, depending on the seat position. And the headroom is pretty fair. Probably about half an inch or so, about 5'10" or 175, 77 centimeters. Little center console tray. It's a manual passenger seat as well. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this in-depth tour on the 1999 Honda Prelude. Be sure to stay tuned next time, there's a lot more where that came from. Take care everybody.